Well, hello there. This is Diamond from Diamond Shine Soap. I'm so excited to see you today. Today we'll be doing a tutorial, but everything you need to make this particular recipes and the other recipes that you'll find on my channel, including candle recipes, is found on my Patreon. If you go to the link in the description box, you can join the Patreon, and it's only $10 a month, and you have unlimited access to candle making classes, skincare recipes, skincare tutorials, body butter, hair butter, Canva class. I mean, there's so many classes. I probably posted about a good 70 by now. So I'm just still working, still posting, guys. And also I give you guys vendors and supply sources and things of that such. So just going on over there and just, you know, try it out, see how you like it, and let me know in the Facebook group, the Millionaires Candle Making Club, how you like the Patreon. All right, so guys, I wanted to tell you, so today we're making some rose water face serum. And I know a lot of y'all like, what the heck is a rose water gel face serum? This is a rose water gel face serum. It is jelly. It has a beautiful consistency. It's just like gel, and it's for your face. So basically you just take it and you apply it to your face. And people love using roses and stuff like that because it just really stands for like youth and you know, that tired, aging face with wrinkles. It's just so many things, so many benefits in a rose. If you go and look it up, you'll be amazed. So we're gonna do that today. I love the consistency of it. As you can see, it's gel. It's really pretty. This is my little personal one, you know, because of course I had to test everything out, and I had to see what to do with the recipe and what not to do. And so now we are ready to make it ourselves. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so first things first, you're gonna need now listen, if you have not gotten one by now, get yourself a jewelry scale, because they are the most accurate when it comes down to like powders and silica and stuff like that. You know, it can pick up really well on one of these small scales. So make sure you get yourself one of these small scales. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my scale on and make sure I tore it out to 0. It is at 0. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna add to my recipe is I'm gonna add some of this good stuff right here. You can use this, or you can use the clear one. I'm going to be using this one because I'm actually going to be using some mica in this recipe, and the mica will basically just cover up the white, because I really don't want it to be white. If you want it to be clear, get the clear, okay? If you want it to be white, you already know what I'm gonna say. So I have to stand up because this scale is just like picking up every little movement. So I'm just going to go ahead and tear it out one more time. Okay, so I'm just going ahead, I'm just gonna go and stir this up a little bit. It ain't that much in here, but I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a little stir before I start adding the rest of my ingredients to it.